One thing to suffer for your beliefs, but another to watch others suffer because of you, even if you thought you did all you could for the right reasons. MAN 1911. Where are my servants? Do they not toil for one who deals with them harshly, who rejoices at the sweat that pours down on their labors? The wicked one sits on the seats of comfort. He wallows in an overabundance of good things. The righteous one squats in the burning sun. He is grateful for a few crumbs and a little water. MAN 1912. Where is my wife? Is she not cast into bondage, an object of abuse and amusement? Is her master not a man of many useless words, one who dispenses lewdness for pleasure? What misery and degradation she suffers! The wicked one never lacks the delights and services of women. The righteous one lacks even a smile of compassion, a hand to touch his head. MAN 1913. Where are my children, the comfort and consolation of an old man? Do they not labor with bitterness of heart, bearing the scorn poured upon the gray head of their father with unrewarding fortitude? MAN 1914. The wicked ones display their riches and mock my children, saying, all this is ours to enjoy or give others at our pleasure. Where then is your reward? The righteous one cannot give even a piece of rag to patch the garments of his offspring, or a morsel of food to ease their hunger. MAN 1915. Where are my riches? Where are my estate? Are they not enjoyed by the avaricious and haughty, the sly man and the cunning man, the hypocrite and deceiver? The wicked ones have no thought of righteousness and virtue. They are clad in comfort and filled to fullness. The righteous one has half a garment, and his next meal is unseen. Is earth the heritage of the wicked, or the heritage of the good? If goodness is to be won for earth by example, then what must I do? If by words, what more can I say? If by weapons, can an unarmed man fight a multitude? MAN 1916. Where have I failed? I do not know. I have no answer. I believe. I hope. I am an old man bowed down with the cares of an old man. The fires of youth are burned out, leaving just the gray, comfortless ashes. When men ask, I answer, I do not know. Can any man answer more truthfully? Earth can be a hard taskmaster. Even knowing you did what you felt is right, it is still hard to see all you care about fall into hands that value nothing. It might sound like self-pity, but in fact, it's a feeling of regret that those closest to you are suffering because you did what you thought was right. It's one thing to suffer for your beliefs, another to see others suffer, especially those closest to you. It's a bitter pill that just because you are looking out for others, that does not mean the same will be done for you. God only asks you do what you can, but He still expects you to be wise enough to realize you have limits. Earth is not a paradise because man lives here, and they are not capable of turning it into a paradise. It is a place for learning balance, understanding that you have done all you can, and know it is enough, and live with the reality you alone cannot do everything, only your part.